What is up, everybody? My name is Havoc. Welcome back to my channel. In this one, we're going to go over the Fixture Gaming carrying case. Let's get into it. In a previous video, I discussed my top 5 Nintendo Switch accessories. One of those is the Fixture S1 attachment for the Pro Controller. I'll go ahead and link that video up above. This is the Fixture S1 by Fixture Gaming. You put the Pro Controller in the bottom and you slide your Switch into the top. And what it does is allows you to play handheld in a more comfortable configuration with the Pro Controller. Now, that's great and all, but how do you travel with it and keep everything protected? Well, that's where this comes in. The Fixture Gaming case. Now, full transparency, Fixture did send me this case to review. I purchased the Fixture S1 on my own. First, the outside is a nice hard plastic shell surrounded by some kind of grippy material that feels like it might be waterproof. I don't know that it is. It's got nice sturdy zippers, it's got dual zipper, so you can zip it whatever way you want. It's got a carrying handle here. It's got a rubber grip on the handle, nylon braid attachment, the handle to the case. So overall, the case itself feels really sturdy and protective. On the inside, we have a mold here where the Pro Controller goes. It is kind of hard plastic, but it has a little bit of give to it. And then this part right here is kind of soft. You flip that down, there's storage for your games. And then up at the top of it, there's kind of this nylon kind of meshy material. And I would think that this is a place to store maybe your cables. And it's got some room in there so we can unzip it. You can fit some cables in there, maybe power cable, maybe some other accessory, maybe the Joy-Cons if you want. So overall, it's got a nice sturdy feel to it. I think it would protect the Switch pretty well. Now let's put the actual device inside of the case. So here we have the actual Pro Controller, the Fixture mount, and the Switch. And what you do is you just fold it flat. So it's all folded flat now. And then it just literally sits inside the molded part for the Pro Controller inside the case. It fits flat in there. You see, you do have some rise there, but I think that's why they did this kind of meshy part on the other side. This part will help protect your screen. I always suggest that you put a screen protector on your Switch. And in fact, I have screen protectors in my top 5 Nintendo Switch accessories video. However, this is also a little bit of protective, but I still think you should have a protective screen protector on there. So that will fold over, and then this will just literally just fold close. You close it up, zip it up, boom, throw it in your backpack. Now, it does have some give to it, so I wouldn't say that this is super protective, like it's a hard case shell that you could ship it as is or without any padding in a box or whatever. But I think it's more than enough to put in your backpack, like if you're going traveling somewhere, going to a gaming convention. I don't know about you all, I like to play on the Pro Controller versus the Joy-Cons, so this is a great way to allow me to do that. Let's head over to the computer and take a look at this more on Amazon. All right, here we are back on the computer taking a look at Amazon. Here we have the Fixture Gaming carrying case for the Fixture S1 and Pro Controller assembly. This is $24.99, and if you have Prime, it's free shipping, so pretty dang good deal for a protective case if you have the whole getup. And as you can see here, the Fixture S1 itself is $34.99. So we have what? $24.99. So 25 bucks, 35 bucks, that equals 60 bucks. So 60 bucks for the complete set. However, Amazon has a deal right now. You can get the bundle. So it's the Fixture S1 bundle, has the clip mount for the Pro Controller and the Switch, and the carrying case for 50 bucks. So it ends up being 10 bucks off. So I highly suggest you take a look at that if you're looking for something to be able to play the Switch with a Pro Controller on the go. The Fixture S1 is a great option there. Thank you to Fixture Gaming for sending me the case to review. They did provide that to me. However, I did purchase the Fixture S1 on my own. I stand fully by it. It's a great product. I use it all the time. Love the Pro Controller, one of the best controllers in the game. I'll go ahead and link you to all these products on Amazon in the description below. And there you have it, the Fixture Gaming case for the Fixture S1. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button and smash that bell so you know when the next video drops. Until next time, GG.